Hi there, this is Karen with Ageless Beauty Pro, and I wanted to do a quick troubleshooting video on how to work with your Mini and any problems that you might be having. So the first thing I'm going to cover is if you're using your Mini with your conductive gel, and perhaps you've used the gel that I sent along with it, and it may be, if you're getting zaps or anything, that's perfectly fine. This is a hydrating, tightening gel that can also be used as a conductive gel. So it was formulated for hydrating and tightening and firming the skin, and then I found that it has the same properties as conductive gel. So if you want to, you can use it in place of a conductive gel, or you can use it in addition to a conductive gel. And what you would do is you would put the Tight-Right all over your face and your neck if you're doing that area, your hands if you want to drive in some firming properties to your hands. Then you would put a glide gel or conductive gel all over your face on top of that, and then use your mist, your rose water mist, or whatever mist that you're using. And that will give you amazing conductive properties, amazing firming properties, toning properties, hydrating for the skin, driving some really good properties into your skin. So that is a good sort of cocktail, if you will, for conductive gel. Now, one thing that I also wanted to talk to you about is putting the conductive gel on. It's not like just putting on a normal lotion, and also this is a tip for putting on normal lotions or oils. You can't just sort of take it in your hands and go like this and here and be done. That's not how conductive gel should be used. You should put it all the way around your neck. If you're doing your neck area and you're taking your Mini all the way around, you need to make sure that you're hitting all the spots that your conductive gel, that your Mini hits. And also, you should be putting it all the way to your earlobe, all the way around your hairline, all the way up to your hairline. I mean, this all the way under your eyes. Be careful around your eyes, but even under your eyebrow, if you're starting under your eyebrow, make sure you're putting it everywhere that that your Mini is going to go. You need conductive gel. So sometimes we think putting on conductive gel is just like slapping on a quick lotion. It's really, making sure you've got that layer on first, number one, so your Mini will work and conduct the energy it needs to, and number two, so you won't get zapped. And the third thing is with your Mini, if you are getting any tingles or zaps, pay attention to number one and number two, the cocktail of the conductive gel, and make sure that you're putting it on properly. And number three is, if this is new to you, you may have more sensitive skin than somebody who's been doing these sorts of treatments. So if you're getting a zap or a little zing or a little tingle, that's completely normal. I have only gotten zapped with my Mini one time, and that was the other day, and I've been using it for a long time now. And the other day I had a firming serum on. I didn't use my regular conductive gel, and then I put a little conductive gel over that, and I must not have had enough on, and the serum I used must have had an interaction with the Mini, the microcurrent, because I got some zaps and zings, and that was the first time I've ever gotten it. So be sure, if you're working with your Mini, a very clean, dry face. Number one, make sure there's no oil-based anything on there, no creams, no nothing that will interfere with your treatment. And then your either conductive gel, your Tight-Right gel, whatever it is that you are using for doing your Mini treatment. So those are a few quick troubleshooting things for you when using a microcurrent system, and hopefully those will solve any problems that you're running into. Thanks so much.